Thank you. Let's do what is called GCSE. All right. Thank you very much. Let's do this quickly. 2x squared minus 2x minus 7 is equals to 0. All right. Now, quadratic equation says a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 2, c is equals to minus 7. Now, x is equals to minus plus minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. How do we solve this? Now we say x is equals to minus plus or minus square root of minus 2 squared plus 4 3 minus 7 all by 2 3. X is equals to 2, cancel this, 2 plus or minus 88 divided by 6. X is equals to 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 22 divided by 6. Now furthermore to that we say, now let's factorize. We are having x is equals to 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 22 over 6. Now x is equals to 2 1 plus or minus square root of 22 divided by 6. 1 into 3. X is equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 22 divided by 3. X is equals to 1 plus square root of 22 divided by 3, or x is equals to 1 minus square root of 22 divided by 3. This is known as quadratic equation, GCSE quadratic equation. Thank you for watching. This is the simplest. When you cannot factorize, you cannot have factors, you use this when you cannot have. Remember we had 2x squared minus 2x minus 7 is equals to 0. Now according to the factors, we need to have factors x 7 minus 3 minus 2, it can be given 1. 5 minus 2, 3 minus 4 plus 3, 4 minus 3 is equals to 3 is equals to 1. So we can have factors, so we use quadratic equation. Thank you very much.